Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to redeem IKEA gift card and use IKEA gift cards to shop online. First of all, go to IKEA.com and then find something that you like. Check the availability and add them to cart. After you are done adding items, view bag. Then provide the delivery details or choose the pickup location. Under the payment option, click on Redeem a gift card option. Here, you need to enter the 19-digit gift card number that you find at the back side of the IKEA gift card. Then enter the 4-digit PIN code under the scratch-off layer. Finally, hit the Use this gift or refund card button. The amount will be deducted from your gift card and purchase will be done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.